Well, I want to take a look at the level curves for paraboloids, hyperbolic paraboloid and then elliptic paraboloid. So each of these can be represented as z, a function of x and y, and then the level curve is the intersection of the graph of the function with the plane z equal to a constant. For each value of that constant, you get a different level curve. For example, with the hyperbolic paraboloid, and here's the equation of the one I'm actually looking at, and with the level curve corresponding to z equal -2, just put -2 in there for z, and you get the equation of the level curve, and we can see it's a hyperbola. And what I'm going to do is look at a few other level curves with the c go. So here we have our level curve again for c equal to -2. We can actually look at it from the bottom and kind of see the intersection of one branch and a second branch of a hyperbola. Now, if I change the value of c and switch, say, from a negative value, so we're looking at c going by increments of 1/4 up, here's c equal to 0. We're literally looking at a couple of intersecting lines. Now here up at c positive, we can now observe the level curves to be opening in the x direction. They were opening in the y direction, now they're opening in the x direction. And they're all going to open in the x direction up here for positive values of c. Go back down here to negative values for c. You can see they started opening in the y direction. Okay, if we look at this from the bottom, and here's the y-axis direction here. So these hyperbola level curves are opening in the y direction, and look, they just swapped to be opening in the x direction. So we got them changing depending on whether the value for c is positive or negative. Now, the other one I wanted to look at would be the level curves for an elliptic paraboloid. Here the level curves are ellipses instead of hyperbolas. Picture, here's the equation of the this particular paraboloid. And picture is the level curve for c equal to 0, which you can see right here. And once again, we can look at a variety of them. C going from -4 to 5. You can see the picture again. C value is 0 there. If I look at some other options here up at the top, coming down, like at the very top of this picture here, we got no level curve at all. If we get up above like the vertex of this paraboloid, coming down now, forming some level curves, and it's going to be ellipses getting bigger and bigger. We could again look at it from underneath and see the ellipses, and they were getting larger as I come down. If I go back up the elliptic paraboloid, we can see them getting smaller and literally disappearing again. As if you look at it here, we got nothing showing. If I end up playing back in the view here, you can see that it's up above the vertex of the paraboloid. I have to actually pull it down to be able to actually form a level curve again. So that was this guy. Well, stay safe out